Another useful tool that's available in the more recent versions of Excel is the ability to immediately remove the duplicates. So what we've got here is a listing, and we want to remove the duplicates. Now in the first instance, we're going to assume that a duplicate is as follows. All these columns must be exactly the same, and you'll notice we've highlighted some of them. So what I can do is I highlight the block of data, and under the data tab there's a remove duplicates button. If I click it, what's nice about this tool is it checks what is considered a duplicate. So in this case, we're going to say that all these columns have to be the same to be considered a duplicate. When I say OK, notice that the yellow ones disappeared. It tells us it found 10 duplicate values found and they were removed. 77 unique values remain. So the first one it finds remains, the rest are deleted. So when I say OK, all the duplicates are removed. I'm just going to undo this. And if we do the same thing again, so I'm going to click on the remove duplicates, but this time I'm going to say that a duplicate only relates to the salesperson code. So what I'm asking Excel is please tell me all the unique salesperson's codes. So I expect to see SPO2, and I'll probably see all of these, but I don't want to see those again. So we're trying to get a unique list of the salesperson's codes or names. When I say OK, you'll notice now it's found 79 duplicates and removed them. There's 8 unique values remaining, and now you've got that list.